Let's go, guys. Okay, so I'm going to cover only difficult words, not easy words you are going to get in this video. Okay, because SSC is not asking now easy words. Very rare you will get easy words. And please get along with these words because these are very important and hard ones that I have choose. So first one is unsullied. Unsullied means meaning is not spoiled, stained or made impure. Synonym is impeccable. Okay, impeccable means niskalank, pavitra, and antonym is defiled, which means apavitra. Sentence is white marble remained unsullied despite years of exposure. Next is uncouth. Uncouth meaning is graceless, awkward, socially unpleasant. Synonyms is again awkward and graceless. Hindi meaning is asabhya. Antonym is refined, elegant. Next is uncanny. Uncanny means strange, mysterious, or difficult to explain is uncanny. Okay. Next one is ulterior. Ulterior means hidden, existing beyond what is obvious, intentionally hidden. Okay. Hindi meaning is gupt, aprakat. Politician had an ulterior motive for supporting the proposal. Do you know what politicians do? They have always ulterior motives. They are not genuine persons, never. Very rarely you will see. Tumult. Tumult means great confusion, noise, or disorder. Synonyms is uproar. Hindi meaning is hangama, kolahal. Like a leader announcement created a tumult among the crowd. CJP protests, for an example. Tryst. Tryst meaning is a secret or romantic meeting. That is the meaning of tryst. Just a meeting. Gupt mulakat. Truculent. I do not know what is the pronunciation of it. Truculent meaning is ferocious, aggressive, or eager to fight. Okay, जो लड़ाकू होते हैं. For them it is truculent. Trivial meaning small, minor, or insignificant. Like someone's advice is trivial, insignificant, doesn't matter at all. ठीक है. Synonyms is superficial, minor, insignificant. हिंदी में इसका मतलब है मामूली, तुच्छ. They wasted valuable time arguing over trivial matter. छोटे मोटे मैटर पे क्या ट्रिवियल मतलब जिसका कोई मतलब नहीं है उस पर बहस कर. Next is trepidation. Trepidation means nervousness or fear about something that may happen. Means घबराहट, भय, apprehension. That is the meaning of trepidation. Treacherous means disloyal, unfaithful. Hindi meaning is kapti, viswasghati. Treacherous, Treacherous advisor secretly betrayed the king. Tranquil meaning peaceful and calm. Serene, शांत. Tramp meaning a wanderer, जो घूमता रहता है, घूमने वाला, भटकने वाला. A person who travels from place to place, that is tramp. Torpid. Torpid meaning is inactive, sluggish, or lacking energy, like me. And Hindi meaning is sust, niskriya. After sitting for hours, he became torpid and unwilling to move. That is the meaning of torpid. Timorous. Timorous meaning is fearful, shy, or lacking confidence. Synonyms is also apprehensive is also synonym for it. And Hindi meaning is bhaybheet, darpok. The timorous child hesitated before entering the dark room. Thrifty meaning careful about spending money or resource. Synonyms are economical, frugal, prudent. And Hindi meaning is mitwei, कम खर्च करने वाला, बहुत सोच समझ के खर्च करने वाला. My mother is thrifty and always compares prices before shopping. All mothers do, yeah. Terse. Terse meaning is brief and concise. Like anyone gave this speech in a very brief, बहुत ही कम words में उसने speech दे दी. That is called brief and concise. Sometimes in a rather blunt manner. रूखा, संक्षिप्त, कॉम्पैक्ट, ब्रूस्क, लैकोनिक. ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि मतलब ऐसा बस जल्दी जल्दी में करके चले गए, ये भी हो सकता है टर्स का मतलब. Tenacious meaning persistent, determined. A person who is tenacious, determined, will get to the goal eventually, you know. Her tenacious effort finally helped her achieve her goal. Timidity meaning lack of courage or confidence. It is also meaning shyness, lack of confidence. संकोच करता है जो, like me. Antonym is audacity, boldness, impudence. Audacity, boldness, impudence. That is a meaning, antonym of this timidity. Tactful meaning is skilled at dealing with people without causing offense. That is like diplomats, the person who are very well versed with their words. They know how to use the word. They know how to कुशलतापूर्वक व्यवहार करने वाला, देख समझ के. She gave him tactful advice before hurting his feelings. Taciturn meaning a person who speaks very little, बहुत कम बोलता हो जो. Reticent, silent, unresponsive, uncommunicative. That is all meaning of taciturn. Next is tacit. Tacit means implied, insinuated. What I am saying? Understood or implied without, मतलब इशारे से समझा देना. That is the meaning of tacit. अप्रकट, बिना कहे समझा गया. Revision you can remember. Pure, pure किसके लिए था बताओ. That you have to check. Let's go. Let's revise it. Unsullied means impeccable. Unsullied is impeccable. Uncouth, awkward. Uncanny is mysterious. Ulterior, hidden, tumult, uproar, trieste, meeting, truculent, ferocious, trivial, superficial, trepidation, nervousness, treacherous, disloyal, tranquil, peaceful, tramp, wanderer, torpid, inactive, timorous, apprehensive, thrifty, economical, terse, brief, tenacious, persistent, timidity, shyness, tactful, diplomatic, taciturn, reticent, tacit, implied. Again, unsullied means impeccable, मतलब पवित्र. ठीक है, जिसके बारे में पिछले वाले स्लाइड में प्योर का मतलब पवित्र. ऑकवर्ड किस में होता है? ऑकवर्ड मीन्स अनकूथ, ऑकवर्ड, अजीब सा. ठीक है, पीछे क्या था? मिस्टीरियस किस में था? तो अनकैनी. अनकैनी मीन्स मिस्टीरियस होता है. अल्टीरियर भी कह सकते हो. अल्टीरियर इज हिडन बेसिकली. ट्यूमल्ट मीन्स अप्रोर. ट्राइस्ट मीन्स रोमांटिक मीटिंग, हिडन मीटिंग. करते हैं ना लोग, कुछ लोग करते हैं. ट्रूसलेंट, फेरोशियस. ट्रूसलेंट मीन्स होता है फेरोशियस, गुस्से में रहने वाला, गुस्सा बहुत जल्दी करने वाला वो. ट्रिवियल मीन्स सुपरफिशियल, मतलब कि ट्रिवियल मीन्स दैट इज़ इनसिग्निफिकेंट, छोटी मोटी बातें. ट्रिवियल जिसका कोई मतलब नहीं. ट्रेपिडेशन मीन्स नर्वसनेस होता है ट्रेपिडेशन का मतलब. ट्रेचरस मीन्स होता है डिसलॉयल. ट्रैंक्विल का मतलब होता है पीसफुल. ट्रैम्प का मतलब होता है वॉन्डरर, जो घूमता रहता है. टॉर्पिड मतलब इनएक्टिव. टिमरस मतलब अप्रीहेंसिव, डरपोक, थोड़ा सा बात करने में झिझकता हो. थ्रिफ्टी मीन्स इकोनॉमिकल, जो पैसे खर्च करने में थोड़ा सोचता हो, समझता हो. कंजूस के लिए भी थ्रिफ्टी का यूज़ किया जा सकता है, ऑल्दो जो सही से यूज़ करता है उनके लिए भी कर सकते हैं. टर्स मीन्स ब्रीफ. टर्स का मतलब ब्रीफ, बहुत ही कम बोल के चले जाना. ठीक है. टिनाशियस का मीन्स होता है परसिस्टेंट, जो परसिस्टेंट होता है, डिटरमिन्ड होता है, मतलब मेहनत करता रहता है. परसीवरेंस भी इसका मतलब हो सकता है. टिमिडिटी मीन्स साइनस होता है. साई मतलब जो शर्माता है, झिझकता है. टैक्टफुल का मतलब डिप्लोमेटिक, जो सोच समझ के कुछ बोलता है. टेसिटर्न का मतलब रेटिसेंट, मतलब कि रेटिसेंट मतलब बहुत ही कम बोलने वाला है इस टेसिटर्न. ठीक है, टेसिटर्न हो गया आपका. देन टिमिडिटी हो गया. टैसिट का मतलब इम्प्लाइड, मतलब बिना बोले ही कोई चीज़ बता दी. टेसिट का मतलब बिना बोले किसी चीज़ को बता देना, इशारे से समझा देना. सो दैट इज़ इट. थैंक यू वेरी मच.